Self-directed IRA basics. What is a self-directed IRA? We're going to find out today what that is. Just as a quick disclaimer, Mountain West IRA does not offer investment, tax, financial, or legal advice to clients. We do not promote, endorse, or offer any investments. Individuals who believe they need advice should consult with the appropriate professionals licensed in that area. You're always welcome to ask us questions. However, if we are not able to answer them and they fall under these guidelines, we will point you in the correct direction, whether that be a CPA, attorney, or somebody in whatever area that you are looking to get that question answered in. Mountain West IRA likes to offer service through education. These webinars and videos that we share with you, these are all ways for you to educate yourself on the power of self-directed IRAs and what you can really do inside your retirement account. And we hope that you would ask us any questions, whether that's email, phone call, scheduling an appointment, or even commenting on the video below. We're happy to help you get those answers and make sure that you continue to learn through education on all about self-directed IRAs. So you may have probably heard of some sort of retirement account, whether that be a 401k with a company that you worked at, or an IRA that invests in stocks, mutual funds, things like that. You may have even heard of a self-directed IRA at the custodian that holds your retirement account, but only offers stocks. What's different? So here at Mountain West IRA, you are able to have a truly self-directed retirement account because you also have the ability to invest in what you know and understand. You can use the traditional IRA, Roth IRA, individual K plan. Some know that as like a solo K plan or an IK plan, all of the same concept. And then you have your SEP and simple IRA. These are all accounts that you can choose to transfer or move to Mountain West IRA, or set up here if you want to set up from the beginning. And you can then also purchase real estate, private placements, private companies, precious metals, private notes, or private loans within your IRA. So if you know and understand rental properties, you can use your retirement funds to purchase that rental property and grow your retirement account tax deferred or tax free, depending on the type of account that you have. Those funds, any income from that rental property would come back to Mountain West IRA. Any expenses would come from your retirement account. This includes any type of real estate, commercial, residential, land, raw land, whatever it is that is your specialty, you can use your retirement funds for. Private companies, you can use, a lot of people know private companies or private placements as checkbook IRAs or checkbook LLCs. That is an option that you can use your retirement account for, where you can actually have checkbook writing capabilities. Always want to make sure you do your great bookkeeping, great record keeping on those types of accounts, but you are welcome to use your retirement accounts here at Mountain West for that. And then you can also do, in the private placements, you can do private businesses, you can invest in deals with multiple investors, whether it be real estate portfolios or things like that, that are not on the public stock trading platforms. As long as it is not on the public stock trading platform, you can do it inside of your self-directed IRA here at Mountain West IRA. Then you have your precious metals. This is the gold, silver. There's a list of precious metals that you can purchase inside of your IRA. We have other trainings on that as well, so you can watch those trainings. And then private notes, private loans, you can be the bank. So you can use your retirement funds to be the bank. You do have the opportunity to invest in cryptocurrency. That's utilizing the private placements or private companies. You would create the private placement so that you can invest in cryptocurrency, tax liens. Literally, the world is your oyster when it comes to what can actually be invested inside of a self-directed IRA. However, you want to make sure this is a industry or a niche that you are familiar with, that you are comfortable with, and you have done your due diligence on prior to investing. This is your retirement account, treat it as such. Always be very, very cautious and careful. With Mountain West IRA, you can build your self-directed IRA account in 4 easy steps. One, you would just open up your self-directed IRA account here at Mountain West IRA. We would then fund the account. So you can fund it with a contribution. These are funds coming out of your pocket. There are contribution limits. And just based off of the year that you're watching this, you'll want to check out what the contribution limits are. That is on our website on the Forms tab. You can find that information. Then you have your transfer, which is IRA to IRA. So an IRA at another custodian. You would then sell, if you have any stocks, mutual funds, you would sell that and we would transfer over cash so that you can then choose your investment. Or a rollover, which a rollover is moving funds from a 401k or an employer plan that in most employer plans you can no longer be employed at. Sometimes, very rarely, do they allow for rollovers while you're still employed. But you can do a rollover from an old employer plan, and then you choose your investment. So you'll direct us into whatever investment you'd like us to put those funds in. There will be paperwork. I know it's everyone's favorite. There will be paperwork through this whole process so that we could properly document what's happening with your IRA. And then you get to grow your funds and gain income by the type of investment that you know and you're most familiar with. We do have ACH, we have wires, we accept checks. However, funds can get back into your retirement account, we want to make sure they get there. So any income will come back to your IRA and grow tax deferred or tax free, depending on the type of account that you have. Is a self-directed IRA right for you? So a self-directed IRA can be a powerful tool for experienced investors looking to expand and diversify their retirement savings and alternative assets. However, it requires willingness to take on more responsibility, perform your due diligence, and navigate all of the rules that the IRS gives us very carefully. So in conclusion, a self-directed IRA provides unparalleled flexibility. However, it's not a decision to take lightly. The complexities of managing alternative investments require careful planning and compliance with the IRS regulations. Before opening a self-directed IRA, make sure to consult with your financial planner or CPA. They can always help you determine whether self-direction aligns with your financial goals and guide you through the process to ensure your retirement savings remain on track, and that you guys agree that this is a great investment opportunity for you. With the right strategy, doing your due diligence, and some advice from the experts, CPA, financial advisor experts, Mountain West IRA is happy to help you establish your self-directed IRA and start diversifying your retirement portfolio. You can see the description down below to get our email and our phone number, or you can schedule a call using the schedule a call link that we have below with somebody from our business development team. We look forward to hearing from you and learning about how you are going to use your self-directed IRA funds here at Mountain West IRA. Thank you.